Okay guys, so how to disassemble a PS4 controller. So firstly, let's unscrew all the screws. Of course this was already fixed, I guess, by some company. So this is just some Phillips screw. So we just have these four and let's take them out. Okay, we took the screws, so now let's pull these out. This, I believe, is just we need to pull it. Probably let's use here some of these of this plastic, but actually, see, just pulling it just sometimes needs to be careful not to break any of the small parts inside. Okay, just need to pull it, and when we open, just be careful because we have here this ribbon cable. So just pull the ribbon cable by hand. Pay attention because this side of the pins usually it's to the outside part. You can see here in the back there is no pins. So okay, so this to the side, and then we have here the battery, which is connected over here. We can take it with some pliers. Usually I use my hands because for me it's quite easy. So here to the side, it's a bit dirty as you can see, and here we have one screw to take the battery part out as well. This is a Phillips one, and the battery cover comes out. Then here to take the board itself, we have here a ribbon cable as well, so we can take it out. You can see there is some gap over there, so maybe by hand it will be easier, even if it wants to come out. Let's try to use just wiggle it to one side and to the other and it should come out. And now I think the board can come out. Of course, we have here the motors itself, so everything comes out actually together. So we just pull everything out, and that's it. This part here is just here the touch as well comes out, just like this, just slides in, and that's it. Yeah, so this is what I meant when you need to be careful and pull it out the cover. As you can see here, actually I broke this part and actually this one as well, so just be careful. Probably need to pry it here just like this, and then we can avoid this one to break. Actually, this is my first time to open it, so that's why I made this mistake. And here we have a button. We can this one. Okay, so this came out, and if you can see, it sits over here. So here the spring, it has here a spring, and this spring it's over here, you can see it, usually this is something like this exactly, because these buttons they insert here in these gaps. Here you can see. Okay, so it's inserted. Here in the other side as well is inserted, so you can see now it works proper. Okay, let's continue. We can take the caps here of the joysticks, both of them, and that's it. Then what more we can take? We can try to take the board out. It just has here this small plastic that holds the board itself. So if we press it, then it should want to come out. Let's see, and that's it. Yeah, exactly. Of course, now I cannot take the rest out because it's here with these motors inside. I would need to unsolder it, so let's keep it as it is here and should be okay. If you want to take the buttons apart, it was the top one. It was, as I mentioned before, you just need to a bit strain to pull it out from those spacers over there, and then it comes out. This is for the L button, and for this one, let's see how it can come out. I think it has here some some plastic holding. So I pull those. When I take it now, you will be able to see it. So you see over, if it focus, it has this part of here, the plastic that holds in, and the other side is exactly the same. So we just put here some like these tweezers and push it on, and then to be able to pull it. So this is how you take this bottom part of the button itself. Then to insert it is just basically it fits. It has here those two plastic ones and the bottom ones that we just took out, and then you just press it a bit harder and it goes right into place. Okay, and this is how you disassemble the controller. Here, if you want to take this part, here is not hard, it's just this pulling it up, and here this plastic as well. It has here some glue over here, so just under it, pull it, and then comes out, and then this as well comes out easily. And this part is just to unscrew this screw, Phillips one, and should come out as well. So not a hard one. These motors, they could be disassembled as well, but I would need to unsolder this part to be able to take them out. So let's just unsolder these ones. These two, need to remember here what is what, and that's it. Okay, it's unsoldered. Let's try to take it out. It has here this small part over there in the right side, and okay, we took it out. So this is how you disassemble the PlayStation 4 controller. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, it will help a lot, and see you in the next one.